What is going on, YouTube? Today I got the OLM brake light from Subi Speed to install for you guys. This is the packaging it came in, V3. This is the smoked rear with the red trim. And I'm gonna get this thing unboxed for you guys real quick. You got a manual right here, LED free brake light. Brake light assembly itself. Damn, wow, okay. Right there, the harness it comes with, zip ties, and the bracket, and then boom, the box. First off, to install, you guys are gonna want to pop these pop clips down here. There's 3 of them. You guys want to get all 3 of those pops so this thing right here can come off. Once this comes off, it'll make the install a lot easier. I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys. Alright, I removed the pop clips just so I can get more leeway right here. So I can have more clearance to pop the back cap. This is the OEM cap right here. This is what the brake light will be replacing. 2 tabs up here, 2 tabs down here. Push her down and it pop right out. Right there. Next, we're going to be installing this bracket right here. That's what's going to keep the brake light up. It's going to go right in here. 1 bolt on one side, a pop clip on the other. Subi Speed's got a real detailed video, so I'm not going to go into much detail. I'm just going to show you guys the process and hope you guys enjoy it. Bam bam. The little nut plate right there on the right hand side that you see is going to go in. These tabs right here will be on the bottom, and then there's going to be a pop clip that goes in on the upper left hand side over here. I've got the tail light fully installed. Now we're going to move to the trunk. We're going to take off this cover, the side cover right here, and we're going to start wiring her up. Now in the back, this trunk trim piece is held in by 3 pop clips. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out of here. Go for it, buddy. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow. Cool. Ooh, yeah. That's sweet, yo. Yeah, woo! Oh, it's flashing now. It just flashed. What'd you do? Do it again? All right, you guys. Thank you guys for checking out the video. I'm gonna close it here. Brake light installed. I'm loving it. It's amazing, amazing quality. Shout out to Subi Speed on hooking me up on that. And I'll see you guys in the next one.